Basel is Switzerland's Rhine River gateway. Its scenic waterfront a home to elegant hotels, cruise ports, and many of the city's most iconic heritage sites. Steps from the river, the Basel Paper Mill Museum preserves the centuries-old craft of papermaking. Set in a historic mill that has been powered by the turning water wheel since the Middle Ages, the advent of printing transformed communication across Europe. Wooden hammers and gears operate much as they have for hundreds of years. The museum offers daily demonstrations of printing and making paper by hand.
So we are here in the paper mill in Basel in Switzerland. My name is Christopher. I work here as a volunteer, and here we do paper with the people that visit us. If I would take the material like that, wouldn't work. I need a frame for the size and the form of the paper. We hold the parts together, thumbs here, the other fingers here. I never touch the zip, otherwise you have a hole in the frame. And then we go straight down, flat, and come up. 1, 2, 3. Stay flat, small vibrations, the water passes through, and when the shimmer is away, we have paper, but still very wet. So we let the water out, just waiting, no shaking, till only drops are coming out. And then we do what we call gouging, couching. We place the paper on a felt here. Press the water out and lift up to the other side. So the movement is like that, 1, 2, 3. And then you can already see the watermark. Then another felt on it. Then we will press the water out. Right. Here. Step. Quite some water from just one paper. And the next step, we put it on the, comes on a long felt. Right? We put it inside an iron. And after 1 or 2 minutes, the paper will be ready.
Beyond the workshop, the museum traces the history of paper from its raw plant fibers to finished sheets ready for writing and printing. Exhibits compare different paper materials, parchment, and early writing surfaces, while historic presses illustrate the technology that supported the spread of books and ideas throughout Europe. Check the demonstration schedule and browse the museum shop for handmade papers, stationery, and art supplies.